Tsuioku+Love Letter is Japanese singer Hitomi Shimatani's fourth studio album. Released on September 1, 2004, it hit number 7 on the Oricon charts and went on to sell around 107,000 copies. Track listing: Why a Cute Plus Love Letter, Tsuioku, Reminiscence, Angelus Z, 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 Zip, Zap, Zipangu, Angerasu, M, Matana, See You, Ikuen, Kuen, Eternity, Z, 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 Zip, Zap, Zipangu, Domenica, Jewel of Kiss, Odst, Hatsukoi, First Love, Viola, I laude circumflex a grot plus or minus I circumflex ai, Hanamuk no Katoba, Parting Words. Yumeo, album version, Biori, Weather of Our Dreams. Degrees, Kirabashi, Shining Star. KNRK, bonus track, Tenahira wo Tayunai, The Sun Through My Palms.